5 decades, Diamond Implements has been synonymous with confidence, quality, and innovation. Since our humble beginnings in 1974, we have evolved into the premier force in the Southern African feed mixer industry, consistently manufacturing top-tier machines for 50 years. While our roots remain firmly grounded, our growth has been dynamic and transformative, constantly adapting to the ever-changing needs of the market. Our customer is our king, and our unwavering dedication to providing the highest quality products and services serves as our guiding principle. Our employees, who have played a crucial role in our journey, remain central to our operations, and their commitment to excellence echoes in every facet of our company. Diamond Implements not only adapts, but excels in providing customized solutions to our customers' ever-evolving needs in farming, catering specifically to the beef, dairy, and wildlife industries. Our commitment transcends product delivery. We offer a 7-day-a-week backup and replacement parts service, complemented by an in-house scale technician. Specializing in both stationary and mobile machines, Diamond Implements stands as your unwavering partner, delivering excellence and durability tailored to the unique challenges of the African landscape. Diamond Implements. Unleash the power of precision.